Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is down 37 cents. That's 3%. Closed at 11.96. Post-market, we are down by 2 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. As we were expecting, the stock is going lower. It stayed on this deeper support yesterday, and now it just broke it and is currently sitting at 11.94. So my guess is that the stock is going to go down at least to 11.50. Let's go take a look at the 1 hour chart to understand how this happened during the day. So this is the first candle of the day. So it almost bounced on this support right here. So this is where the support is. So the stock tried to bounce and then was pushed down, stayed sideways for the second hour, but then third hour dropped like crazy and stabilized a little bit on 11.94. Going back on the daily chart, we have stochastic at 3, extremely low. We need stochastic at 60 to have the stock move up. We have a breakover bearish in MACD since April 7th. RSI is also below 50, so this is bearish. And DMI has the red line above the green line. That's also bearish. So the stock is in a bear trend and it's just dropping. Nothing we can do. We can short it if we want it, or we can just let it drop. And when it's going to stop and bounce, we are going to be there to notice it on the exact day it does it. And we are going to get back into the stock at the appropriate time. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk Sunday for my members, and for everybody else, I'm going to see you Monday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.